The Beer Walk for the Arts pairs craft beer drinking with historic homes around Museum Hill in downtown St. Joseph. 4 private homes were on the roster this year, as well as the Downtown Abbey and the Wyeth Tootle Mansion.
Each house will actually have 2 different bands throughout the course of the day. So there's like a first shift and a second shift, so you'll see that. But then also there's like real art within the architecture of the homes. Like some of the houses have been renovated. One of the homes we've had on the tour before, but it was in the remodeling process, so you could see what they've done and how it's turned out. So there's a lot of different aspects of art.
Owners of the homes greeted people and answered questions about the history of their homes. The oldest of the homes was the Harris Hamilton House, being dated back to 1851, and the newest being the Downtown Abbey in 1901. And what good would a beer walk be without, well, beer?
The houses each will have tastings, and so you can taste the beer at the houses, and then you can walk to the next one, and then at the final house there'll be a full pour.
There are many different types and brands of craft beers, everything from Boulevard Irish Ale to Odell's IPA and Sierra Nevada's Hop Hunter. Also, every house had amazing food as well, catered by local favorites such as Barbossa's, Spanky and Buckwheats, and Piatto.
We are going to have a good time. We get to have beer and look at houses, so it's a fun time.
The Beer Walk sold out this year, selling all 200 tickets. Jeremy Lyons, Fox 26 KNPN.